how do I make income outside of my music? Kind of talked about this. Let's get into some tactical things. How can I make income outside of my music as a rapper? How are you seeing rappers monetize their music into other avenues? Can we talk about that?
I would say, because I've done this a long time ago, and that's how actually I learned how to market, because I was doing things outside of music. My opinion is try to stay within the confines of music, because you don't want to spread your focus too thin. So like prime example, you can learn how to shoot videos. That's usually, it's easy to learn if you put time. It's still in music and it's still useful to you, and it's quick, it's easy to monetize faster. So I'll say learn how to shoot videos, learn how to market. One of my things, because I had that problem, was I wanted to make money outside of music, but I didn't want to spread too thin. So I learned how to market. I learned how to teach coaching. So that was like my thing. So I'll say, try to keep it in music, but learn a more easier monetizable part of music, like videos, mix and mastering, marketing, booking shows, whatever. The reason why I say that is you're not spreading yourself too thin outside of music. It's a useful tool to you for your own career. You can also rent that out to other artists, which you're going to meet through networking, and you can make some money faster. So I say keep it in music. Just pick something that's more monetizable. I mean, what would you say? What would you say?
I personally, like for me, I actually love real estate, right? So investing. So somebody was coming to, actually, one of the best ways I think is the easiest way for you to make money off of music or whatever, affiliate marketing. You guys already spend the money on the equipment, make the money off the equipment. Go to Amazon, figure out affiliate marketing, figure out the brands that you already love and support, and you take, you know, and figure out a way to monetize doing that. Also, another thing I think a lot of people don't think about doing is coming up with ways to give different experiences to your fans. So if there's exclusive content that you want to give out to them, maybe you put them on a subscription base. So there was a video that I just did on YouTube, actually on our YouTube channel, Artist Hustle, about 5 new ways to make money on Instagram and Facebook.
I watched that yesterday.
It was just really random. Like it was a late night, whatever. Like I didn't even get on camera. It was the whole thing. But anyways, these platforms want you to create amazing content, and they're starting to really go ramp up the advertising and the monetization. So I know a lot of people are like, I'm not even making no money. If you can figure out how, like you said, build that audience, or figure out a way to take maybe what you're doing at your 9 to 5, or maybe what you love to do. Like for me, I love real estate, right? And so if I took, okay, I like this, or I have a marketing skill or whatever it is, or I like to do graphics, you know what I mean? I could do a freelancer. I can go and get with local business owners and give them logos, or I can work with some of the local people out here and do performances or whatever it is, services that I like or whatever it is. I really feel like it's not as difficult as people think it is.
Yeah, it's not.
But you do have to put in the work. It sounds really easy that because we're talking about it, but you do have to put in the work. But you have to figure out what your niche is. Yeah. But also be willing to try something different. And I know for me, that's where I'm getting a little like stagnant, because I'm doing the same thing over and over again. So I have to make sure that I step outside of what's familiar for me. So I actually have this new series that I'm coming out with that has nothing to do with the music industry.
Oh, okay, I'm ready to see.
It has nothing to do with it. Why? Because I went to a music conference recently, and somebody was like, Debbie, you're so cool. Like, just you're so, and I was just like, he was like, why don't you post yourself more? And I was just like, because I don't want to do that. I want to focus on the content. I want to focus on the experts. He was like, why wouldn't you figure out a way to, because people are also, they get to know you, but they also get to know what you're doing. So I'm coming up with ways on how to stand out without just doing the same tips, the same, you know, every kind of the same thing.
You got a good personality, so I feel like you can attract people.
Yeah, right. And I try to, you know, throw in some personal things here and there, but, you know, not too much. But yeah, so I have some new things that I'm working on as well. But I think monetizing your content that you're already creating is an easy way to make money, man. So if
like
it's
Patreon,
if it's you know, let me sign up for some of these Facebook new advertisings, maybe TikToks. I know TikTok's going to come out with ways to make money and different things like that. But I think creating content, products, services, if you want to do services, I don't know. It just depends on what you want to do, but you got to put in the work.
And it goes back to your brand. If you want to get it, the ASAP kind of, you can sell clothes, you can sell. So it's a lot of ways you can monetize it. We just have to think brand and not music. We have to just think like music is the beginning point, but the goal is to build the brand around it. It's nothing. It's no different from what Rihanna doing with makeup, with Jay-Z doing with champagne,
Exactly.
what Diddy doing with lifestyle. We just
Exactly.
have to, obviously, we're just gonna have to do it on a very more niche stage, but it's no different.
Yeah, I knew this artist. He was, and then we'll go to the next question. This guy was a tattoo artist.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have no tattoos. Do you have tattoos?
Nah, I want some. I ain't getting none though, but yeah,
Ah!
I don't got none.
I wanted a tattoo when I was a little girl. Like, I was like, okay, if I get one, it's gonna be somewhere where only a certain person can see it. But but yeah, you can't see it. No, yeah, but so basically, yeah. So he was a tattoo artist, but he also loved his music, and I was just like, why don't you talk about your tattoo? Oh, nobody's really interested in it. Dude, are you crazy? There's a whole like you're already tapped into a community. You like doing like he had a whole sleeve and it was kind of nice. You know, a nice sleeve, you know, whatever. Or there was this other guy that he really loved fitness. And I was like, why aren't you why are you not? So
I thought that too. Remember earlier I said years ago I thought coaching and rapping was corny. Remember so I know how they feel.
He didn't think it was cool. He was like, why would I talk about tattoos? I have nothing to do with my music. Like you know, and then the other guy, he was like, yeah, I like fitness, but like, I have dudes that kind of listen to me. But I was like, you can also teach women. You also do personal training. You can also do group classes. I know for me, I would go to the group class.
Tap into that community.
You know, whatever. But, you know, so missing
then
I
also think they think it's going to be corny. Like, they're going to be like, I'm rapping about tattoos. We ain't saying do that now.
No.
You know what I mean?
No,
we ain't saying make it like corny actual tattoos or fitness. Raps, we just saying like, you can make music around the lifestyle of it. So
make music or create ways to make income.
Yeah.
And make sure that your audience knows that you do more than just music. Like that should also be a part of your branding is what else do you do? All right, let's.
If you are an independent artist and you want to make 6 figures a year with your music career independently, watch this short clip and I'll show you how. Now, for those who don't know me, I go by the name of Stackz from my rap mentor. I specialize in teaching rappers how to rap, build fans, and make money. Now, the reason why I'm dropping this video is I have a program that's called From Doubt to Clout. In this program, I'm going to be showing you the strategies that I use to take my rap career from 0 to 6 figures a year, and the strategies that I taught thousands and thousands of artists how to quit their day jobs. Teaching you techniques on how to build fans, how to make money, how to get your streams up, get a manager, book shows, and a whole list of ish that's way too long to put in this video. So if this is something that you're interested in and you're tired of going through your rap career, not knowing what to do, year after year after year in the same place, not making no money, not gaining no fans, not getting no streams. I mean, because at the end of the day, what's the point of having a music career if you're just going to do the same thing over and over and over, not getting no results, still stuck in the same place? I mean, come on, it'll be quite insane if you're thinking, if I just keep doing the same thing over and over and over that's not getting me no results, I'm gonna magically blow out of nowhere. Stop procrastinating, click the link, sign up, check it out, and let me take your rap career from doubt to clout. Peace.
My teacher told me I'm gonna be a damn loser. Then I stopped going to school, started making moolah. Hey, pray for my women and my damn Judas. See, every day I wake up great, screaming hallelujah.